friends! Today I'm going to play with my cooking set. I grabbed it from the kitchen, but don't worry. I just asked my mom's permission. So let's get started. So what do you want me to make first? A whole potato soup? Okay then. So I took 2 potatoes. Okay, now where is the squeezer? Oh, here it is, right beside me. Okay, now I'll pretend that I kept the real potato inside the squeezer. And I'm going to squeeze it in this bowl because I'm making potato soup in that bowl only. How much time should I squeeze? Phew. Now, what should I add? Oh, I know, we should add some water. Some more water and some buttermilk. Just for taste. Okay, now let's mix it well. Okay, now let's see. Now let's add everything over. Water, some more buttermilk. Okay, now let me taste it. Yummy, yummy, but something's missing over there. Some salt. Nothing can have some salt. I mean, yes, I would have some salt. Whoops, there. Gentle. Now let me taste it if it's nice. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's even better that way. Let's keep it over here so any customer will come and drink that. I mean, eat. Whatever. Now, what do you want me to make next? Chapati? Okay then. I'll pretend that on this bowl is dough. Now, let me just smash it like this with my hands, and then I'll roll it. Whoops. Let me flip it over. And flip it over again. Okay, now the batter is all flat. Now, I'll pretend that here is a pan on the floor. That's called a pretend pan. Okay, there. Some onion. Just a bit like that to make it even more better. Okay, so let's see. Okay, chapati is done. Let me taste it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's even more better that way. Let's keep it there also if any customer wants to eat. So what do you want me to make next? Nothing? Okay then. You should hopefully come here and take it. So this is it for today. Hope you like my cooking. So next time I'll come up with some more videos. So keep watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.